treatment of ulcerative colitis. It is to be noted that this is a lifelong disease, cannot be cured completely, but it can be managed. Patient can live a comfortable life. Although this disease consists of frequent urge for incomplete defecation with bloody and loose motion and stool. It disturbs the social life of the patient. So the patient has to adjust the diet and the treatment plan. The usual onset of this disease is at the age of 20 to 30 years, but after 50 years the patient are also reported, so it is also a disease of the elders one. Mostly the treatment consists of anti-inflammatory medicines, mesalamine, sulfasalazine and the prednisone. These are used during the treatment plan because the course of the disease consists of remissions and relapses. So it is a prolonged treatment and it has to be continued without any break. In addition, there are also immune suppression medicine, methotrexate and other medicine which is called as cyclosporin. These are also used because we have to suppress or lessen the overactivity of the T cell and B cell, which produces cytokines which are responsible for production of inflammation and subsequent ulceration of the blood gut. So these medicines are compulsory. Moreover, the recent biologics are used. They are given through IV routes and addition probiotic supplements to strengthen the power of the normal flora of the gut, which are responsible for digestion and the health of the large gut, which are destroyed by the T cell and B cell overactivity due to autoimmunity. Now the food adjustment in the patient of ulcerative colitis: avoid the dairy milk products, I mean milk, cheese, butter, curd, etc. You have to reduce the minimum quantity of this, but you can take a minimum quantity of these items when there is a symptom-free period, relapses and remission interval. You can use this medicine, I mean the food products. Moreover, alcoholism, cigarette smoking, unjustifiable or the use of the ancient medicine and the rash application or the use of the antibiotics. They must be avoided to reduce the symptom of this disease. When the medical treatment fails and the disease is progressive one, I mean it has merged into most of the part of the colon or the pancreatitis, then we have to final option is that the surgery. Surgery is incomplete colectomy when a part, a portion of the colon is involved. When the whole colon of the large gut is involved, that is pancreatitis, then whole the colon is resected by the surgery. So this is the final and the complete, or we can say this is a complete treatment of this disease. For that, the surgeon do the thoracic surgery, or we can say to maintain the fecal passage, so they have to lengthen the item, make the pouch and connect that to the anus for the excreta to be expelled out. Or in certain cases when it is not possible, then they produces an abdominal hole stoma and the ileum count is made and is attached to the external disposal bag of the excreta. So these are the surgical steps which has to be finally taken to restore the life of the patient and to revive or lessen the symptom of the patient.